Hey Shopify merchants, today we'll be going through how to create a fixed bundle. So first you go into your Simple Bundles and Kids app and navigate to your Bundles tab. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Build Bundle. Since the fixed bundle is relatively simple and it doesn't exceed Shopify's 100 variant or 3 option limit, we're going to create a simple bundle. If you do end up creating a very complex bundle or want to exceed Shopify's variant or option limit, then you can create an infinite options bundle. Because I don't yet have a bundle product created on Shopify yet, I'm going to create one now. But if you already have an existing product, you can select the latter. So we're going to name our fixed bundle, typical fixed bundle. You can also provide your customers with a discount, and we're going to set our bundle product as active. Then we can go ahead and add our products. So within our bundle, we have the avocado cleanser. We also have the facial mist. And then lastly, we have our dewdrops. So I can add all 3 products. It looks like everything is done, so we're going to click Save and Continue. Now you see that the fixed bundle product has been created on Shopify and that there's no image available here because it is a new product. So we're going to go into Shopify and add that image. And if you want to add any other product descriptions here, you can add that as well. And then we're going to go back into our Bundles tab. So now you see that our image has been loaded as well as our inventory has been updated. If you want, you can also update the discount. Once you do add the discount, you can also update the compare at price so that your customers know that this is a deal that they're getting. You can also edit the quantities for each of the items as well. So we'll save that. And then we can also go then to test the bundle. So we'll go into our Bloom Beauty skincare website and search for our bundle. Now you see that our bundle has been created. When we click Add to Cart, you can view our cart here. You'll see that our bundle has been added. We'll check out. And here you can see that all of the items have been broken down into its individual components. So this bundle has the avocado berry moist cleanser, the mist, and the drops. And we're just going to go ahead and check it. So once the order has been created, we can go back to our Shopify admin. Now we can see the order that contains our bundle. So our bundle had contained the cleanser, mist, and drops, and they're all accounted for here. If your store charges VAT for all of these individual components, then the VAT will also be applied to each of the components rather than the bundle product itself. And that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team.